Realtors are always seeking innovation and opportunities for growth. They're not just looking to grow their business the modern way, but they also want to connect with elite level producers who openly share strategies and foster a culture of collaboration and innovation. A community that's always a step ahead of the competition, yet feels like a family. At THG, we've built an ecosystem designed to fulfill this long-standing desire. If you're ready to completely transform not just your business, but your entire life, financially, physically, mentally, and emotionally, while joining one of the fastest growing groups here at eXp Realty, the next few minutes will outline the exact blueprint that a number of agents have already used to achieve these goals. We're not just about creating a collaborative culture that excites agents, but we also provide elite level training, tools, and resources to help agents launch and elevate their production, even in the most challenging markets. And it's all completely free. For example, we've helped brand new agents establish themselves in new markets, going from ground level to becoming multi-million-dollar producers, all thanks to our modern strategies, systems, and operations that are highlighted in our step-by-step agent launch platform that every partner gets for free. We've supported experienced agents in breaking through those production plateaus, helping them achieve icon status. And for the team leaders and brokers, we've created systems to reclaim their time, exponentially grow their revenue and profits, and build the exit strategies and scalable systems they've always envisioned. The THG culture keeps you energized and motivated about real estate by providing tools and mentoring that empower you to run a legitimate business through eXp Realty, including multiple streams of income. eXp Realty is undeniably the most powerful brokerage model in the world. But when I joined, I realized that while it offered unparalleled opportunities to build wealth, create a flexible lifestyle, and a secure future for my family, there were 5 critical areas that needed improvement: advanced tailored training, culture, growth, retention, and systems. So let's start with training. Our group is quickly becoming recognized as one of the most modern and innovative groups here at eXp. Many agents come to eXp seeking a fresh approach to building their business, but find that traditional training doesn't address modern needs and fails to teach them strategies that work in today's industry. That's where we step in. Our agent launch training program offers the highest caliber of training across all social media platforms. It's packed with the most effective strategies for today's market, helping you attract clients, generate leads, close deals, and build a unique, recognizable brand. And this training isn't just a collection of random videos, it's a comprehensive library of real-world experience and actionable expertise. One thing THG members rave about is our culture. eXp Realty's geographic optimization allowed us to create a close-knit team-like atmosphere so no agent feels alone no matter where they're located. We've fostered an intimate, passionate culture of agents who collaborate to build not just successful businesses, but lifestyles that they've always dreamed of. Traditional brokerages often breed competition where top producers are hesitant to share their strategies. At eXp, we've flipped that script. Agents doing $30 million annually across diverse markets openly share their best practices because we're all working together towards one common goal: building this incredible company and empowering one another. I'm humbled to share that our partners feel more connected to THG virtually than they ever did at their previous brick-and-mortar brokerages. We operate like a team and a family, and that makes all the difference. Our Growth Huddle Masterminds are another cornerstone of our success. These are weekly sessions that keep our agents inspired and growing year after year. Every Tuesday, we dive into strategies to scale not just your business, but also your life. We bring in successful entrepreneurs to share insights on leadership, family balance, mindset, health, and much, much more, creating a holistic approach to building a fulfilling life. And the best part yet, you can plug your partners into these systems to elevate their success as well. Growth is one of my favorite topics. In my first year at eXp Realty, I broke every record for first-year agents in both sales volume and units sold. This wasn't luck. It was a result of systems and roadmaps that we now share with every THG member completely for free. When you attract new agents, we handle the heavy lifting for you, from attraction calls to onboarding resources to helping them launch their businesses from the ground up. We ensure that your recruits are set up for success from day one. So if you have any agents who are looking to partner with you, if they're a solo agent, you can bring them to one of our Growth Huddle calls or a private one-on-one meeting where I'll present the eXp model in the clearest way possible and get them to join you. And if you have a top producing team leader or broker owner, you can text me or book them directly into my calendar. I'll completely tailor the model to touch on what's important to them and run a full financial analysis and launch plan tailored exactly to them. And again, they're going to be joining you. Now let's talk about systems. While eXp Realty's model is groundbreaking and elite, no brokerage is perfect. That's why we created the Agent Launch Training Platform. We understood that making changes to a company that has over 90,000 agents and is still exponentially growing is like driving an RV versus a sports car, which is exactly what our group is. We streamlined everything, from onboarding to website setup to social media optimization and even CRM workflows and drip campaigns. Our systems let you dive straight into what works so you can take action immediately and save yourself hours of time and trouble. We also developed a custom onboarding process and a full agent development section to help you become a top producing agent. This includes goal setting and reverse engineering your business plan, but what really excites THG members is our agent launch roadmap that helps agents launch their business on a step-by-step, week-by-week process on how to close their first few deals in the first few months. Many agents feel overwhelmed when they first join. They don't know where to start or what to prioritize. Our roadmap, designed with input from top producing agents, offers a step-by-step, week-by-week guide to close your first few deals and build momentum in your business. kvCore and the custom IDX websites is another game changer at eXp Realty, but many agents struggle to use it effectively. That's why we've created detailed modules and tutorials to help you attract, nurture, and close clients while building your business and its systems. We've also developed free resources like listing presentations, buyer guides and handouts, client welcome packets, and also scripts, all aimed at transforming your business for the long run. Many groups and brokerages talk about what they offer, but we prefer to show you. Our rapid growth speaks for itself, and we're excited to prove to you how exactly we are different. So if you're ready to elevate your business and life to levels you've always dreamed of, we'd love to welcome you to THG and show you what exactly it's like behind closed doors. Despite how powerful this video is, everyone who joins says it doesn't compare to actually being a part of our family and gaining access to the numerous tools and resources that we offer to you completely for free. So thank you for watching, and I hope you'll book a call with us soon. I can't wait to welcome you into our group.